Here's something that I always tell people when I come out to look at their house. If you can get around it, if you can just get by with putting plants in pots because you want them next to the house, great. But when you have them right up against the house in dirt and you're watering the plants, all you're doing is watering your house. That's what I tell people, because it's true. It's really important because there's a metal barrier flashing that's between the foundation and the wall. So if you see this line along your foundation where it's like an indentation where the foundation is and then it pops out where the wall is, that's because there's this metal barrier that goes along the foundation called weep screed, and what that does is it basically keeps the internal framing of the house dry and allows the walls to drain, because stucco is basically a sponge, and the water that gets behind the stucco flows down the paper and then drains out the bottom of that weep screed. And what can happen is when there's way too much moisture always hitting the walls, you'll get issues like this where the weep screed has deteriorated. You see where it's rusted here, and I can just barely push on it and it's falling apart. The metal is basically just all rusted out and it's coming off, and here's a piece of rusted screed there. It's no good, it's just gone.